Alright guys, today I want to talk about the automatic compressor. And when we say automatic, we mean that there's no human interaction. So the operator will just need to press on the start button, and everything else will learn automatically or by itself like you want. So first of all, we're gonna need as usual, we're gonna need a stop button, which is here, a stop button, which is here, and we also need the means of starting the circuit. Here we have a control relay, which is internal into the relay, and by this ring number 0, we're gonna be able to start the circuit and do the sealing. So, and here we managed to add a run indicator so that the user, the operator, will know that this power going to the PLC. Alright, so this circuit will need to use a timer. So basically this circuit starts with one compressor, and after a certain amount of time, which is in this case 6 seconds, 1 minute, it's gonna go with the second motor. So there's no other way you can modify this one. Just you press start once you are rotating the circuit. It's gonna the pace will start with one compressor, and after timing, we're gonna have the both compressor. So this basically how to work after sealing circuit recording in. We need to use this contactor from the internal array, just to make sure that we always connect to our PLC, and we will directly start our timer. So that time we start the stop, what we have this one. Once we seal in this run, this one will be closed. Once we seal in, this is the pressure switch, just to regulate the how pressure is into the pipes. And once we didn't reach our desired pressure, we're gonna flag to compressor, which is also an internal array, and from there we would have to have this one in as it is in, and once it is in, this one is in, it will cross this one here, and the moment we're gonna start with compressor 1, which is also in parallel with the indicator, just to let the user that the compressor is in. So that's when we just press start button. So once we did that, and we will let's say we start the time, and our timer was timing, and it happened that we have exhausted our 6 seconds. So the time, what we're gonna have is that we're gonna have this circuit in. Our pressure switch is yet still, the pressure is not yet done into the pipes, and the timer will be in. That will get the power to the compressor flag, and by that, this one, once it is in, this on this rank 5 will have this one in, and this one will go in because this one was getting the power, and the compressor will be in, and the compressor, as we see, it is in part with the LAN indicator. So that means after 6 seconds we will have this compressor running from the beginning, and this one will I'll be adding more pressure to the pipe after 60 seconds. So in most application, you don't have you don't want to just to start the circuit with the maximum pressure into the pipes. So some circuit prefer start with low pressure and increase gradually. So let's get online and let's just use the simulator to put this circuit online and see how it works. So what we'll do is we're gonna go online. I'm going to put on the power like that. What we have here, that's our circuit online. So anywhere you got the blue color, that means it is normally closed. Anywhere it is still white on that is not colored, that means it is open. So this one is our rack. Yeah, that's our rack. Let's suppose this is the start button, local 1, input data 1. That's here, display input output, digital input. So that's how it is. Let's say we press on start. At that time we're gonna have this circuit in and we're gonna have our indicator on. The timer has started timing, and this time we have this compressor only on and its indicator. So that means what we have to do is to wait till this time has been completely elapsed so that we can have the second compressor on. So we need to wait for that time. This is automatic, you need the operator, we don't need to press start. But I did produce the other circuit that display how you can use the manual switch and select what have more option to start this kind of compressor, compress the air circuit. So once our time has been elapsed, so 60 or 60, so we're gonna have this one in and this one will trigger the second one, and we can have the both compressor on. So that's it. So if you want to check us on the on your I/O rack, you can have it here. So our output compressors and indicators, therefore number 4 here, that's the compressor 1, number 5, that's the indicator, number 6, that's the compressor 2, and number 7, that's the indicator for compressor 2. Yeah, that's how the PLC will interpret it. And right, once you want to stop, just press stop. And everything is gone. Alright guys, thanks. I think that's all. You can always comment, and if you have anything you can talk about for next video, I'll be happy to help. Thank you.